Looking for the best engine degreaser to keep your engine bay spotless and running at its best? In this video, we're counting down the top engine degreasers that quickly remove grease, oil, and stubborn grime without damaging engine components. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, we've got the perfect option for you. Check out the links in the description below to learn more about each product and find the best deal.
Number 1 is the Sonax engine cleaner. It earns its top spot with a phosphate-free formula precisely engineered for modern engines and emission systems. Its advanced German-engineered chemistry targets today's specific engine buildup while remaining safe on sensitive components, coatings, and surrounding materials. Professional detailers consistently reach for Sonax when engine bay cleanliness matters most. Unlike generic degreasers, this formula is designed with modern vehicle technology in mind, making it a smart, long-term investment. The premium price reflects the precision and quality packed into every bottle.
Number 2 is the WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser, an 18-ounce aerosol that delivers serious cleaning power for greasy engines and machinery. Its water-based foaming formula clings to vertical surfaces, working deep into tight spaces without leaving residue. It tackles built-up oil, grime, and dirt efficiently. Just apply, let it dwell, then wipe clean. Backed by WD-40's trusted name, this industrial-strength degreaser is a reliable go-to for heavy-duty engine cleaning. Number 3 is the Griot's Garage Engine Cleaner. It is a versatile, professional-grade solution compatible with cars, motorcycles, boats, and trucks. Available in a generous gallon size, it offers excellent value for those tackling regular engine maintenance. The fast-acting formula cuts through grease, oil, and grime with a simple spray-on, wipe-off process, no lengthy soaking required. Trusted by professional detailers, Griot's delivers consistent, reliable results. The gallon size may feel like a big commitment for occasional users, but serious cleaners will appreciate every drop. Number 4 is the 3D Orange Degreaser, which takes a natural approach by harnessing the power of citrus oil to break down engine grease and oil buildup. Its water-based, non-corrosive formula is eco-friendly without sacrificing effectiveness. The compact 16-ounce bottle is ideal for spot treatments and smaller jobs, making it easy to store and handle. A pleasant citrus scent replaces the typical harsh chemical odor found in most garages. Keep in mind, citrus-based formulas work slower than synthetic degreasers, but environmentally conscious mechanics will find the trade-off worthwhile. Number 5 is the Gumout Regane Parts Cleaner and Degreaser. It brings professional-grade power to demanding cleaning jobs. Formulated with polyethylamine, one of the most potent cleaning agents available, it targets carburetors, throttle bodies, air intakes, and unpainted metal surfaces with precision. It dissolves stubborn varnish and gum deposits that many competing products simply can't touch. The compact 15-ounce can is perfect for detailed, targeted applications. Decades of proven performance in professional shops speak for themselves, though proper safety precautions are a must when handling this powerful formula. Number 6 is the Stanley AP92 Engine Cleaner Spray, a practical, budget-friendly option for routine engine maintenance. Its non-corrosive formula and precision spray nozzle make it easy to target tight, hard-to-reach areas where grime tends to accumulate. At just 12 ounces, it's compact and affordable without compromising on consistent performance against dirt, grime, and light oil deposits. Backed by Stanley's engineering expertise, this degreaser delivers reliable results. Heavier buildup may require multiple applications, but for everyday cleaning needs, it gets the job done efficiently. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best engine degreasers. We hope this guide helped you find the right product to keep your engine clean and performing at its best. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and maintenance tips. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and the latest prices on all the products featured.